What's going on YouTube? MOT here. So I noticed on my UMIDIGI Pro S2 that whenever I was using the phone, it would sometimes redirect to a random application on the Play Store. And I did a full scan using the Malware Bytes application, and turns out it has an adware on it, which causes this issue. Um, Apparently, you cannot remove this application because it's a system application, and you cannot really disable it either. I did not have that option. I did have the option to force stop it, which I did. One solution that I can recommend you guys is that you can install a basic ROM from the UMIDIGI's forum. And what that involves is that it will install the stock version of Android OS on your phone. And it's something really easy to do. Another thing that I would recommend you guys is that what I did was that on my phone I moved certain applications to the freezer which I don't really use. That includes UMIDIGI's App Store as well. And you guys can do the same to limit the bloatware, malware, spyware, adware, whatever you guys want to call it, on the UMIDIGI Pro S2. Thank you for watching, and if you guys found this video useful, please like it. Have a good one. Bye.